Oh, you've been working hard and ooh, traveling. Speak to me. I love me some good travel. Speak to me, Glenn. Speak to me, Glenn. Where have you been? Traveling. I need to put these on. I'm blind. Yes, I understand that. So where you been? Where you travel to? Inspire me now. Come now. You know I love to travel. It's gonna make a lot of noise. Maybe no tea right now. I'll do tea later. That's gonna be amazing. Too much noise. Well, you've been. It's been soggy here. It's been chilly. Um, that's very chilly, very cool. One day it's okay, one day it's cool again. 1 minute it's nice, and then all of a sudden it's cool again in the same day. Like I'm over this weather, but today is perfect. Today is 22. Tomorrow it's gonna be 26, and Wednesday is gonna be. I don't know what Wednesday is gonna be, but it's gonna be nice in the day, and then later in the evening. Then ooh, Minnesota, nice. I said Minnesota, but it's in Minnesota. So Minnesota, wow, I have never ever been to Minnesota, in the middle of nowhere. Oh, well, at least it was a good, no taxis. Where did you go? Where you go? Where you went? Wow, I've never been to Minnesota. Is it sort of like Texas, where it's like vast, like a big like Texas, Minnesota? I'm not sure. Never been there. I've been to Texas. Ah, okay. Wow. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. I don't know. I might have to Google that and do some research and see if it's a place I might want to see. But I do want to go to Newfoundland. Newfoundland. I want to go there. I heard it's really nice there and like and it's the ocean out there. It's not just a lake. Real salted seawater. I'm all about that because I'm a Caribbean girl first. So I want to do that, and I think it's Newfoundland, not Nova Scotia. Newfoundland. There's a spot over there. Anyways, there's a spot in one of those places that the tide goes down and you could actually walk on the water. I'm talking about like maybe 6 feet of water, and when the tide goes down, the water you walk on the gravel earth itself, but you have to take a canoe to get out there first. And when the tide is coming back up, make sure you're in your boat. So you paddle back out. And there's nice formation rocks there. And, oh, every time I see it, I'm just like, I have to do this. This is definitely on my bucket list. There's so many places in Canada that I have not been. That is one of the places that I would definitely want to go to. Yes, you could fly to places within Canada, like 4 hour trips and stuff like that. Yeah. Who would think, right? You're in one country and you have to fly to get to that certain part because it's so far away. My goodness, that is something. Something indeed. Totally. No kidding. You're telling me there's no taxis there where you went, and that is definitely the key. Like when I went to Texas, my friend lived, I don't remember where, but it was far from Dallas. We had to drive, thank God, because there was no buses to go to where she's at. So if you didn't drive, you need to get a ride or you need to Uber, and that would be too expensive. And I'm like, where do you live, girl? Yeah. So she lived really far. Texas is so huge too. So a lot of ground to cover. I wasn't she lives far. Like with me, I'm a city girl ish. I don't like to be in the heart of the city.